Hi guys, welcome back to my channel On My Toes. Today's video is all about the diaper bag. Let's see what do I have in my diaper bag. This is my diaper bag. It's from Baby Jalebi and I customized it with my son's name, and this is a flapjack diaper bag. This also can be converted with a backpack. It's a convertible one, and this is the convertible strap you get with it, and it has many pockets. That's the most important thing. And yes, let's dig into it. This bag is perfectly unisex and it's stylish for mamas and cool enough for dads. Also, the brand states this bag is especially made for the boss moms and the boss dads. Let's dig into it. So first thing is, once you open the flapjack bag, there is a one single pocket front, and there are two more pockets at the sideways. This is an insulated pocket. You can keep your bottles in here. It also gets connected inside as well. And here you have a small water bottle pocket. Again, it's the insulated one, not connected inside. So it's just the outside one, so you can store your bottles outside. Coming to the next thing. It's the first flap where I get here. It has enough space to accommodate some number of clothes as well. And first thing I want to show is some cloths which I can wipe my baby's mouth. Then I have a few more microfiber napkins so that I could clean if something is spilled out. The most important thing that I carry in my diaper bag is this stole. This stole is just a regular stool, stylish as well. So I bought this from H&M and I'll link it in the description box below. It's just a piece of cloth, square piece of cloth with a slit here so that I can put my head and I can cover myself and try feeding the baby in the public. The best thing about this diaper bag is it comes with a mat. Again, it's a soft diaper changing mat. So it's large enough to accommodate the baby, and also it has some probably fleece kind of a thing inside which keeps the mat really soft, and also the baby would not be hurt anywhere else, and it would be kept clean. Foldable and comes with velcro. Next thing in my bag is a washcloth carry bag, and it is completely waterproof. It can be washed because there is a waterproof layer here. And again, there are two compartments. So in one compartment you could carry soiled diapers, and the other compartment you can put some waste clothes. If at all you are outside and you are unable to find any dustbins, you can use this small bag which I bought it from, again, Super Bottoms. So this is really helpful. Coming to the next one, I prefer using socks all the time on his feet, so I carry a pair of socks. Coming to the main compartment, this is the main compartment with a rod here, and it is really cool and comfortable, and it opens widely. You might have a doubt that where am I taking the baby now. So during these conditions, I'm taking my baby out for the vaccinations. So only for the vaccination I get out of the home, and I do carry this bag. What I carry inside this is a file, my baby's hospital file. Next is one extra pair of baby clothing, so that if in case he soils his clothes, so this is one extra pair I carry. Next, coming to one muslin square. Most important thing in the diaper bag, again, the diapers. But mostly I carry the disposable diapers. Again, it is from the Pampers. This is this disposable diaper. Again, it's like a pant style. If in case the baby is a little more fussier, what I do is I carry this kind of a flap kind of a diaper. So this is again from Bamboo Nature. So this is again a very soft, biodegradable, eco-friendly diapers. I usually don't use these kind of diapers. So in case if I have a messier days, so I put this on my baby. Next, coming to a cloth diaper. Next thing, as I told in the previous video, coconut oil and water solution to wipe the baby. Here, when I go out, I prefer milder water-based wipes. So again, I use this wipes from Pampers. It is not completely alcohol-free. This has really worked for me, and hardly I use one or two wipes. That's all. Next is my purse. This is very much essential. I carry my purse with me every single time. Next thing is again one extra clothing, just because in case he soils his clothes while going for his vaccination, I prefer carrying a neat extra clothing for him. So it has buttons to change the diapers, so it's easy for me to carry a onesie. Please watch the video till the end because I'll let you know how to fold the onesie. Next, coming to few medicines that I carry if in case the pediatrician has only prescribed, and if in case he really does require it, then I'll use the medicine, otherwise no. Then there are small more packets here, so there you can carry your sanitary napkins if in case required, and some Dettol. I keep a Dettol with me all the time. Some small nail clippers for clipping the baby's nail, and a face wash for myself, and calamine lotion if in case suddenly something he touches and the rashes develop. So I use a calamine lotion, again based on the pediatrician's opinion. Next, another thing that I carry in my diaper bag is reusable breast pads and sanitizers, and the one thing that I really like about the brand that they had sent me this cute little masks. Lastly, I carry one small toy of his so that he gets distracted, so whenever he is fussier. Initially we used to take the baby out, there was a lot of confidence. Currently there is not such situation that we can take the baby out very easily. So with all the precautions, I would like to tell you guys to take the baby out only for vaccinations, or for that you contact your pediatricians first before even getting out of the home with the baby. Please make sure that you carry your sanitizer with you all the time. To all the mothers out there, one more important tip I would like to tell you is, whenever you go out with the baby, if you are feeding the baby in the public, please do wear a suitable clothing. A cloth which has buttons, or a cloth which has nursing zip, or any nursing wear would definitely help you. Please do not put yourself in a situation that you will not be able to nurse the baby. So let me show you how I arrange inside the bag. So there's the stole there, and there's a washcloth, few bibs and napkins. Next side pouch, I have a toy. In the zip pouch, I have few masks and also some sanitizers in handy. Coming to the main zip, so let me show you in how I store it. This is the file. There are some pouches as well. You can store the bottles as well if the baby is bottle fed. And this is the mat, the clo diaper, my purse, 2 extra clothing. There I store the baby socks and the wipes and the diapers, where you can fit in around 10 to 12 diapers. There's the breast pads, and in those pouches I currently store some medicines and some napkins. Apart from that, you can store bottles also. This is just for first 3 months, and that's it. A quick hack, how to fold a onesie. One cute little thing that I want to share with you all guys is how to fold these onesies. So these onesies are real pain. So what you could do is, how to fold these onesies into a very small tiny roll. What you could do is, so just take the onesie, fold the onesie like this, and start rolling behind. So just fold the onesie like this and start rolling, so that, yes, start rolling. So you will have the button one layer up, and the other layer, what you could do is get it from behind and just pin them up in the front. So yes, you have your onesie folded into a small roll. So yeah. Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel, and that's all that I have in my diaper bag. So currently I have a mess around me here to clean it up, so I'll do that. I'll get going. If in case you like the video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you until next time.